My youth, dress code. Me, doctor, lawyer, scientist, and teacher. And me can't even read neither.
How will you say name?
Ageable.
Oh,
But you to be both. Hey, talk about church. Is it? I love church, you know. You know that.
Of course.
I'm the man who loves singing at church. And when we go to church, I like to, like go if me go to church late, me not bother go. Wedding, funeral, anything like that. If me go in one of them function, if me late, me not bother go. So when you come to church now, me like it like Sunday morning if you go to church. Me no wake up and do nothing Sunday morning. Me just get up and eat some breakfast and drink a gin and feel nice. When me get and feel nice when me go to church. Me go to church early, man, and me start play the guitar, man, and me start say the name of Jesus. And the people might come in, little, and everybody has some man. One lady come and start rub me head and say, "Go on, brother Steve, go on, man, it's so nice, man." And the people they start to, so me I do it and know that anytime they're ready, we stop, you know. So they come in and they deal with Sunday school. And after Sunday school, they must take one like a break. So me start to chop the guitar again, you know. And one little lady was there. And the lady said, "Boy, me I tell you, long time I don't hear no sound like them, you know." So this girl now, she don't look so bad. So she come in and grab the more mic in our church, you know. Come in and grab the mic from me for them. "Come on, brother, let's get radical. Come on, everybody, let's start. Let's get radical now for Jesus." My man start play the keyboard, man, and everybody in a mood. Everybody in a mood. And it's going good. It was going on good. When me have good music I play, me don't want to play neither, you know. You know, me like me prefer sing more than play. But when not now go on, me go keep it place lively, you know. So when she didn't know and she was carry on and never carry on, and my medley and the medley, and the keyboard man really you just a pussy song. "You're excellent, Jesus, you're excellent," and when you go on, you know. Sammy plan is not can don't you was it hey! Sammy no plan no can no more.
How's the bar?
Oh lady. Me no want no Sammy plan no can in your so. Long time me no go Sammy can please and me nah go back. Come out here so with the Sammy and the plan he can. There's me back up this way.
Oh, you feel pass up it?
There's me cause
I know you are you real Sammy plan with second gully?
No. They must have this one too.
How do?
Me say, you guys are sing. Sammy plan physical, no agoli. You all lady no. Hey. We don't know Sammy plan no can in us also. Long time cause Sammy can't feed for years. And me no get nothing. And right now me no hear no Sammy can and no you so nothing. Me no want no Sammy they can. Allah, yeah, you know. Did I say you have the boat? But I don't think
Look at what you cause clot in that church.
More slip. More slip. Hey. Look, right now, bro, and this one. Let's go call on him, yes, sir. Pick that one at anyway.